Unveiling the Mystery of Cruise Cabin, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore the term cruise cabin, a phrase that might conjure up images of vast oceans and luxurious ships. Whether you're planning your first cruise or just curious about the terminology, you're in the right place to learn. A cruise cabin is the living quarters on a cruise ship where passengers stay. Think of it as a hotel room on the sea. It's your private space to relax after a day of activities. Cruise cabins come in various types and sizes. Let's break them down. Inside cabin. This is the most basic and budget-friendly option, without windows. Ocean view cabin. A step up, offering a window or porthole with a view of the ocean. Balcony cabin. These have an outdoor space to enjoy private views. Suite. The most spacious and luxurious option, with added amenities. Selecting the right cabin depends on your preferences and budget. Consider factors like location on the ship, size, and whether natural light is important to you. Before booking, here are a few tips. Think about motion sickness. Lower decks and midship cabins tend to be more stable. Check the deck plan to avoid noisy areas. Budget for a cabin that you will be comfortable in since it will be your home at sea. I hope this video clears up any confusion about cruise cabins and helps you make an informed decision for your next voyage. Safe travels, and may you find the perfect cabin for your cruising adventure.